Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. We get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
I walk in here. Oh, what's that, eh? Who did that? Who did that? Do you know? Do you know who did it?